Hey, welcome back to From the Tech Desk by your RC experts here at Horizon Hobby. I'm your host, Brad Brooker. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the ProLine 1.0 rock shooters. So before we get started, we need a few things. You need a 1.5mm wrench and also a set of your favorite 1/0 tires. Now let's get wrenching. Go ahead and start by grabbing a tire, the inner part of the bead-lock, the outer part of the bead-lock, the back side, and also 3 screws which are included in the kit. Going to install the inner part of the bead-lock into the tire. I'm going to get centered up, make sure the bead's in the right proper spot. Go and install the front half of the wheel. Make sure it's seated in there correctly. Go and flip it over. Install the back half of the bead-lock. You're going to line it up with the threaded part on the front half. Grab your 3 screws. Going to install those. Again, it's a 1.5. Now when tightening these down, you don't want to over tighten them, and also you don't want to tighten one at a time. So we'll start one and go to the next one and the follow one to kind of do a star pattern a little bit. Tighten these down because you don't want to over tighten or strip anything. So get that one started. Go and grab another screw. Go ahead and install that one. Run it down a little bit. Get the last and final one here. Now go to the previous one or the first one, either one. Tying that one down a little more. Go to another one. Just kind of keep on going, tying them down slowly until you get everything all nice and snugged. Now you can repeat the process 3 more times. Well, there you go. That's how you assemble the 1.0 rock shooters by ProLine. Thanks again for watching.